Everybody will be having a thought in their mind that I am able to read English properly, I am able to write also English properly, I am able to understand what people are talking about, but I cannot reply them. I cannot talk with them in a fluent English. And then you might ask, is there any one trick, a single trick through which we can just become fluent and confident in English? I think that is the reason you actually clicked this video, right? You went to my profile and you have checked several methods to learn English, but you clicked on this video where you can learn and become fluent in English within just one trick. Which means that you actually want a shortcut. सच बोलो, लाइफ में कुछ शॉर्टकट होता है क्या? I don't think so, because in life you get success only by practicing it again and again, only by being consistent. Yes, I did a clickbait, but there is not even a one trick, not even a single trick or single shortcut where you can learn English and speak confidently. In today's video, I'm going to tell you some of the steps, some of the procedures which you should do in order to become a successful and a fluent English speaker. And at the end of the video, I am going to give you one of the tips which will boost your procedure of learning English 10 times. So I'm sure that this video is going to be so helpful and so informative for you if you want to become fluent in English. So hello there, what's up people, it's me Ja, you're watching me on the Expound. Let's get into the video. First mentality which you should stop having is, stop thinking that you can learn English overnight or within a day or within 2 days, 3 days. That is totally not possible. I don't want to give you a false hope or something, but this is the truth. You have to start practicing, and whoever people is suggesting you that follow this method to become a fluent English speaker within 2 days or overnight, they themselves did not apply this method. Yes, they are simply saying it so that you can watch them, right? But now the exact thing is that they have been practicing for a long time. They have been trying and they have been failing for the lot of time. Then only they are able to speak in this way. So the second thing is, stop fully depending upon grammar. Yes, I am so thankful that my school grammar have just they stopped only till 8th standard, because after that we have been mostly concentrating on writing skills, speaking skills and more reading skills. So all you have to concentrate is these 3 skills, because this is the one which is going to make you fluent. And now tell me, do you remember all the grammar which you studied in school? No, because that is only for getting marks and scoring marks and showing your parents that you have scored much in English. So that will never help you. You can actually learn that in order to get marks, but not to speak fluent English. And the next thing is, start talking out loud. Yes, if you are just, what is the problem, like when you are studying, when you are able to read it, when you are able to write it, but you are not able to speak it, because you are used to those skills. You have been continuously writing, you have been continuously reading. That is the reason you are able to do that better but not speak properly, because you are not practicing it out loud. So all you have to do is start speaking with people. If you don't just blame or give an excuse that you don't have any people to talk to, or I am, in my house people only talk native language, people only talk Hindi, people only talk Tamil and Malayalam, so they don't know English to talk with me. You have Google Assistant. Yeah, you have many other things which you can start talking, and I have also told some of the app where you can start talking with people just like that, and you can improve your English knowledge much more better. So do follow this step. And the next one I would say is, don't lose hope. Yes, even in the beginning, I was the person who didn't even know to speak a single sentence in English properly. And I'm not telling that I'm so good right now also, because I also make the tiny grammar mistakes, but those grammar mistakes are not recognizable. by the people. So all you have to do is do not lose hope. If you're trying, if you keep on trying, you will succeed one day. When it's your time, you will definitely shine. It doesn't mean that since you've practiced English for months or some days and the next time you're not able to talk English, you cannot give that excuses and you cannot stop learning. So just continue the process. Trust the process. You will definitely become a good speaker one or the other day. Just take an example. When you were a baby, you did not just walk on the next day. You fell again you woke up, again you fell. So this process continually went on and then only you were able to walk without the help of any other people nearby you. So this is all the same thing. You just need the boost at the beginning. So just follow the step which I am telling you and just you will definitely see the result. So don't ever think that you're going to fail or you're not able to achieve, because when you actually take a thing in your mind that you're going to do this, I'm going to learn it, I'm going to speak properly, then that will definitely happen because you are already living that life in your imagination. So start imagining and start thinking that you will learn English properly in future, and that will definitely happen. And finally, the bonus tip which I want to give you is talk every day in English. Yes, I know that nowadays you're talking with your family in your own native language. Now stop doing that. Everything will come from practice, obviously. So what you have to do is start talking in English with the person, whoever is nearby you. Start talking with them and even start thinking the same thing in English in your mind. That will be definitely easy for you when you are delivering the things which you are going to speak in English. So I think this was helpful. If it was, then at least 0.00001% it would be helpful. I'm sure of that. So I have also told several methods also where you can actually learn English. And finally, I'm telling you, there is no shortcut. Even though you are actually taking that shortcut, you will never be good at it. You will never be. Start forgetting about that one trick and start following all the steps which I am telling you, and you will definitely follow the result. Thank you so much. Share your comments in the comment section. Tell me what you felt about it. Tell me common problems which you are facing so that you can understand more, and tell me what you are expecting from me so that I will actually try to deliver it to you and I will help you more in that problem. Thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye. And like and subscribe this channel also if you want to. Okay, bye.